Good morning, humans. This morning. It's 10:30. I should have been up earlier.
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
Everyone in this house but me is asleep. Me and the cat. She's not asleep. From the realization, all I talk about anymore is how I have to, every time I start a video, it's like, I gotta do the normal things. I'm not gonna say that today. I'm going to go make my breakfast, and we're gonna go sit outside and enjoy the probably very hot heat. See how hot it is right now. Don't live in LA, don't live there. 70 degrees outside and cloudy. Let's go enjoy it. Me make my breakfast, we'll go sit outside and enjoy it. Yes, sounds like plan. Does it not? Does. And then I'll come and do what I have to do in here. I need to get outside more. Don't you agree? You agree. Good. Today's breakfast consists of a maple French toast bagel with cream cheese, pepperoni, and orange juice. And I think there's a deer across the road. I'm pretty sure. You guys aren't focusing on me. I can't have cream cheese without this. It's a weird thing. Don't ask. I don't know why. Just enjoy the sounds of nature. Look at the weird trees that's around the house. They all need cut down. They really do. So good. Such a good bagel. Why do you only have to be a limited edition? Boring, 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 blah, blah, blah. YouTube, fanfiction, work. And now it's a dark and boring night and I've just returned home. Yay! And I have to go to bed early because I work in the morning. And then after that, 2 whole days off, and I am not answering my phone for any work problems that may arise. Just not. You can't make me. You can't, I tell ya. So I have to shower, go to bed, but only after I watch a couple YouTube videos. And then I'll go to bed. just because I didn't get my fill this morning. So I hope you guys had a good day. I wish I could have vlogged more. I had planned on vlogging while I was at work, but I didn't. So much for planning. Just because it's a Sunday and it's slow there on Sundays. But yeah, I had a good day. Hope you had a good day. I'll see you guys in the morning, as per usual. Till then,